Ciao amici, this is Angela and welcome to Lip Week. Today we will be doing something different. I decided to grab my recipe book from Magimix. I of course bought the processor and this came with it. My processor, my Magimix, is the 5200 XL, and I like to make this beautiful baguette. We will need 250 grams of strong white bread flour, 160 ml of water, 50 grams of fresh yeast and 50 grams of salt. So it says to remove it from the mixing bowl with with flour hands and make it into a bowl. I don't know how to make it into a bowl without kneading it. So the baguette is ready. I forgot to put flour on top before you put it in the oven you meant to flour it, and that gives that baguette, you know, sort of look, which is this, but I completely forgot. It doesn't matter. Also the two different shapes, so maybe next time I should be a little bit more consistent. And another thing that I noticed, there was a crack and you can still see it, whereas this one was a little bit better molded. Overall, great result. It's still really hot, so I'm gonna wait a little bit before I try it. So what do you think, Carl? Delizioso?
Delizioso.
And it's completely vegan, 100% vegan.
It's still warm. The bread is delicious.
Made from scratch.
And the smell, absolutely incredible.
Is it like proper baguette?
Yep.
Like French baguette?
Yep, exactly.
Just freshly made. Nice.
Very, very good. There's so much flavour. It's just bread and tomatoes.
It's not just bread.
No, but that's essentially what it is. It's so much flavour. Where'd you get all the flavour from? Mm.
What do you taste? Do you taste the garlic?
Like bread and tomatoes.
Stupido. Can I have one?
Mm.
Just because in front of the camera, because 2 seconds ago you said no. Okay. I'll have this one. Little one.
It's so good. Did you make the bread as well? Took bread. What is it? Olio, pomodoro,
It's the simplest thing.
basilico,
Yeah.
pane.
That's it.
Delicioso.
Delicioso? Thank you, amore.
Vente.